A very good morning, all of you. Hope you all are keeping well. Students, I welcome everyone to today's English online class. Dear children, let us learn today the third poem of Hornbill book, The Voice of the Rain, composed by Walt Whitman. Students, in today's video lecture, we shall cover up about the poet, introduction of the poem, stanza-wise explanation, difficult words of the poem, and poetic devices used in the poem. So, children, let us discuss first of all the title of the poem, The Voice of the Rain. Students, as every one of us knows, that the rain has sound, not the voice. Then who have the voice? Yes, human beings. So, this way he has personified. So, students, the main poetic device used in the poem is personification. Now, student, let us know something about the poet. Poet is Walt Whitman, and he was born in United States America on 31st of May 1819. He died on 26th of March 1892 in United States only. Some poems like Leaves of Grass, Song of Myself, Oh Captain, My Captain, he has written. Awards like Golden Kite Awards for picture, book illustration he has got. So, student, the introduction of the poem is that the voice of the rain is an imaginary dialogue between the poet and the rain. The poet casually asks the rain who it is, and to his surprise, poet was very much surprised when rain gave answer. The rain answers the questions and tells about its birth and end, means the rain tells about its whole life cycle. The poet understands the tale of the rain and translates it to the readers. So the first stanza is, students, and who art thou, said I to the soft falling shower. Which strange to tell gave me an answer, as here translated. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal I rise, impalpable out of the land and sea, bottomless sea, he's saying. So, just see here, who art thou? So, student, art and thou both are archaic words. So, who art thou means who are you? Who, archaic words are obsolete words, right? Which are no more in use. So, who art thou means, students, who are you? Eternal means never ending. Impalpable means which cannot be described, which cannot be touched. So, students, in the above line, the poet is asking the soft falling shower, who are you? To which the rain replied in a strange manner. The rain said that it was the poem of the earth, and it rose continuously from the land and bottomless ocean in the form of vapors. So, this was the answer of this rain, that it continuously comes out from the land and from bottomless ocean. Let us see what the second stanza says. Second stanza is upward to heaven whence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same. I descend to leave the draughts, atomies, dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only latent and unborn. So here are some difficult words like whence. Whence means, students, where. Vaguely means not clearly. Descend means come down. Lave means wash or bathe. Atomies means small particles. Latent means hidden or buried. So, student, in the rain tells in this stanza, the rain tells the poet that it rises upwards towards the sky. In which form? In the form of vapor. And what does it do here? It changes its form. Means it condenses into water droplets. So now it changes its form here in the sky. It also says that although its form gets changed, but it is still remains the same. The poet is saying that it is same only. Then what happens? The rain comes down. What for? To wash the drought and to provide water. It also washes away what? The dust and small particles from the earth's surface. Yes, and the seeds inside the earth grow into a plant because of the water, yes, provided by the rain. So, what does it do? It gives life. To whom? To the seeds only. And let us see what if the message in the third stanza, and make pure and beautify it. And in bracket, what is written? For song issuing from its birthplace, after fulfillment wandering, reckoned on or unreckoned, duly with love returns. So here students, reckoned or unreckoned means whether cared for or not cared for. Means it does not affect the rain, nor the poet if someone listened to the rain or not. So students, in this line the rain says that by day and light it provides what? Life, care, enrichment, and water to the place from where it originated. So, students, the rain keeps enhancing the beauty and purity of the earth by preparing a life cycle for itself again. And students, there is a comparison that the rain is like a song that originates from its birthplace, just like the heart of the singer, and travels to fulfill the earth's needs and wonders. So, students, what happens? That it finally comes back to the place from where it originated, whether it is ruined or not, it returns to the original position with a lot of love to its birthplace. So, students, some poetic devices, literary devices have been used here, like personification, which is quite dominant in the whole poem. The poet used a non living things as a living thing in the poet. That is why the personification figure of speech has been used here. I am the poem of earth, like said the voice of the rain. Then metaphor also has been used. What is metaphor? Metaphor, student, is just like an indirect comparison between the qualities of different things. Like I am the poem of earth. So here rain is being compared to a poem. That is why. Hyperbole also has been used here, student. How? Exaggerated statement it shows, like bottomless sea, right? So this, what does it show? Exaggeration. And imagery of course is there. What is imagery? The visual description of something, like soft falling shower. So I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you, class.